If you are born on this earth, there is an amount of affliction that everyone has to endure. അന്ന് ആ അഫ്ലിക്ഷനിലും അവൻ ദൈവത്തിന്റെ നന്മനെ കാണുന്നു. It is good, he said. It is good. And he became a wiser man, that I may learn your statutes. So when the word came into his life, he reigned over that affliction. He reigned over that problem. He reigned over that limitation. We see men of God being afflicted. When you read the Bible, Joseph is afflicted. Joseph never affliction ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. David's affliction ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. But it all became a testimony. When you are taught of the Lord, when you are enlightened of the Lord, ദൈവത്തിന്റെ വെളിപ്പാടിൽ നിന്ന്